So I was thrilled when Universal invited me back to Skull Island. It was great to have you along for the ride. Now we have created this 3D immersive experience, so you're going to have your glasses ready. Don't put them on yet, but just put them in your hand because we're about to return to Skull Island.
We're close to returning, guys, but right now we're dealing with the monster that is our tram. It doesn't, I don't know if you guys know, but it doesn't usually rain like this in Southern California. How many of you are visiting from out of town? Not that many of you guys, surprisingly, or we're just like huddling for warmth. Well, I'm sure it's not exactly the weather that you guys were anticipating, but the bonus is that the lines are all really short, right? That's pretty good. Okay, so John's doing everything he can to get us moving forward here, but this is so much fun. This is the best ride in the park, guys. We're flying up to Hogwarts Castle right now. There it is on the right. So since we are going kind of into this CGI world, I want to show you guys some of the best visual effects from Universal Films. Here we go.
We're gonna have to get in a pole.
Are you all crossing your fingers? Visualize it. Oh my goodness. I think we're gonna